Hello y'all, welcome to another Possibles video. In this video we're gonna build a hot tub water filtration system with built-in heater that uses electricity to heat up the water, and we're also gonna install a air bubbly system. So we're gonna use a air pump to blow out some bubbles into the tub, which I hope is going to be nice. Let me quickly show you around what we got here. Well, the main thing is this water filtration system, which has a pump, water pump, and a system that uses the filter balls. They go in there. Let me just throw this away for a while. Firstly, I'm gonna assemble that, but before I get into it, I'm gonna show you around what we got. So we got some pipe connection parts for the water pipes, and this is where we got the bubbly, air bubbly thing parts. This is what we're gonna, this is the like a nozzle that puts the air into the water and makes it bubble. We have like eight of these. We also have some glue, I guess, or something, PVC cleaner. And we have more pipe for the water. There's a pump, and this is the hose for the air that is going into the nozzles and make it bubble. We have electric parts, which are going to be installed by a professional. I'm not gonna do it because I don't want to get shocked while I'm in the tub. It's a nice box. It's going to hold all of these fuses. I have installed a solar panel system, so I know how these work, but once again, there's gonna be a lot of voltage and a lot of current, so I'm not gonna install these myself. Also, what the electric guy is going to install is this bad boy over here. So this Palen Incoloi, this is our electric pump. As you can see, probably there's like a vastus in English that's gonna hit the water, and there's this nice dial we can use to adjust the temperature of the water, which is inconvenient. What else? Here we have one more item, which is the air pump. It's going to have all the air coming into the nozzles through this pipe. Simple as that. Yep. Now I showed you everything I got. Next I'm going to assemble that. Let's see. Okay. We have a big bowl, and it has something in it. A couple of these things. I guess this is the like a stand. Oh, it's almost done. We have some manuals. And by the way, before I get going, I bought all of this in one simple package from a dealer here in Finland. It came with all of the filtrations, the air pumps, the nozzles, the filter balls, and the electric heater, which is 9 kilowatts, by the way. So I hope it will be plenty enough. And I might need to insulate that a bit. I guess that's something that we need to find out as well. Either way, check that out. This, I believe, goes here. You'll have some connection parts. And this is the water pump. Now, what do I need next? I need the manual. By the way, I'm gonna show you now. This is, as it said, installation example type. So let me elaborate on this. So I got this water outlet, so the dirty water comes in to the pump, which has some filtration in there already, but the filter balls are gonna go in there, and then they go through the pipe, and that's where the heater is, and they go through this hole and out that hole and back to the water. Simple as that. So one, I need this and a pump. By the way, I haven't ever done anything like this, like installing a water pump with air nozzles at the bubbly system. This is all new to me. We'll see how it goes. Let's see. This goes. So those ones go in there. So this should now fit in there. Put them in. Now we're step 3, step 4. These are the parts. Yes. Let's take this off. So tiiviste goes there, and this goes on top of the tiiviste, and tighten it up. Then I need this and another tiiviste in there. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. And then it goes here. Tricky part is that I don't know how tight this should be. And this goes here. Okay, so that's done. Then we have more stuff in here. What do I need? I need a thing that looks like that. So I need to install an exit hole in there. What the hell is this? Where did this come from? I believe this is from here. I'm just gonna tie this one up. And this is the cap. What is next? Insert and turn. Yeah, this. So they go insert and turn. Oh, nice. So I can install like 2, then I need to put it in there and continue. This is kind of tricky. I'm just gonna push it and twist it and hope that it goes in like that. That was easy. Oh, come on. Yeah. 2 more. Is that in there? Yeah, I got it. So this just, I don't know, lays in there. Now is the time I should fit the filter balls. Let's try to figure out how much balls do we need to add. Filter balls are superior to sand or cartridge. And I have the classic 300, I believe. So I'm gonna put 560 grams. It's like a cotton ball. I think this should be filled all the way. 560 grams. I think this should be kind of full for the full effect. I like that you don't really need to wash these a lot. I'm gonna give you guys an update video whenever I do that, so you can see how sticky these balls get, or dirty. Instructions: fill the filter container up to the edge with swim and fun filter balls. Distribute the balls evenly without compressing them. Yeah, I think that's good enough. So now I get another tiiviste. So I get this tiiviste. And that. And this color. And one thing that I really need to pay attention is the box that I'm building around this, because we're gonna use it this during winter times, and none of these can freeze. If they freeze, well, that will be the end of it, because physics. When water freezes, it expands.
You know, I'm something of a scientist myself.
A few more steps. Grab this plumber's tape to make it tight. 15 rounds. 1, 2, and 15. So this goes in here. Then I need to put this way around. Then I need this hose. Another 15 times again. 15, and then we get the tiiviste again, just 15 times again. Like, you're telling me 15 rounds, but I don't have the full 15. I think I have 5 or 6 here. How am I supposed to work with this? I should have some leftover from the hot tub itself. So I have 6 rounds in there. Let me go check. There it is. So let's make this 7, I guess, 15, then 37. I only have the pressure gauge, and I don't know how tight this should be. I guess there's a limit somewhere. Doesn't go tighter than that. So just peel this off. Ta-da! It's done. Nice. So water from pool, it goes through here, down there, up here. It goes through the filter balls and it comes through back through here, and this is where it goes to the hot tub. And this goes somewhere like this. So there's comes a tube or a pipe straight here, down there, and from here to the tub. I haven't figured out the final position for all of these, but I will. I need to unveil one more package because I don't know what's in here. There's no full manual for all of these. These are all separate parts which I did order as a package, but there's no like full instruction on how to install all of these together. There are all instructions for each of these, if you know what I mean. So that's not gonna be an issue. What the hell are these? Like, I don't know. Like, this has some meaning. I have two of these with the clamps, and this like a, I don't know. We'll find out in the next phase of the build. So that's the filtration pump assembled. Now we just need to put it into place with all of these things. Yeah, let's go.